Hey guys, we are here at the CrossFit Syndicate Crown semifinal with my wife as she is prepping for the first event for her. It's a big running workout. It's her first event. She's going to warm up for that. We're going to show you guys her warm up and her cool down, and we're going to talk through how you recover from an event like this to get ready for the next event. Let's do it.
Got her.
What are we going to do?
Slap the bag.
The best. Slap the bag.
Slap the bee.
Stand by.
Set up here.
Show you a little bit of this workout that she was having to prep for and what she's going to recover from. But it is 5 rounds of an 800-meter run and 10 clean and jerks at 125. So it's a decently heavy weight for Ellie, but she's a great runner. I think if she had to say anything on this workout, she would say that she came out way too aggressive on the run, and that may have cost her in the workout. But overall, when you're at an event like this, a semifinal, you got to lay it all out there, and she definitely did that. So I'm very proud of her.
I wouldn't like about being in the very back is if you 800, it kind of it's going to shake out, I think, here after that first round, and you won't see too many issues there.
Yeah. Scott, what was the first year that you competed in the sport of CrossFit?
2012 was my first year competing.
Okay, 2012. I was just reliving my first experience in 2011. Back in the day, it was the first year that regionals ever existed. Can you talk to me, like, you played college football at Mount Union.
I did.
Right?
I did.
Believe you played in CrossFit when he came out to Utah and started doing CrossFit. He was like, yeah, from your perspective in 2012, now we're seeing athletes re-enter the building, folks, and each getting to the barbell. Brooke Wells is the first one in lane 4 with her hands on the bar, already 2 reps in, as then we've also got an athlete in lane 14 getting their hands on the barbell as
Ellie
well.
Hiller.
And that is Wells, Bailey Maraviglia, and Rachel Fricker, as well as Aniston Sudhoff.
And you had Ellie Hiller head out the door first with Brooke Wells right on her tail.
Right, and always keep in mind that relationship of that rate on the tail. Brooke will get to her bar first.
Barbell first,
right?
yep.
So if all things stay considered, right now we've got Brooke Wells as our early leader. Now, we were just talking about and having this slight discussion, Scott, about like the start of the regionals and the experience. What was your rookie good start? Brooke concluded her final clean and jerk at 12:47, and that was when Hiller put her hands on her bar for her very first rep.
So Ellie just finished the first event. We're hanging out with her coach, Kyle. This is how you recover after destroying your heart rate and obliterating it and sending it through the moon. So we're going to go hop into ice bath. She just did a little bit of a recovery bike. And then she's going to do some BFR afterward to really stimulate some good recovery aspects, to get more recovery hormones flowing through her, and also just de-stimulate some of the muscles that she's been having. It's going to increase the active stimulation. It's going to help it calm down a little quicker than it would have normally. All right, so she just finished the second event. She's just in the tub and she is freezing right now. You can see the ice. It's a great recovery. So after the event, she went straight to a bike, and she did about a 5-minute bike trying to bring her heart rate down. And now she's trying to really embrace the central nervous system shock from the ice water and hopefully provide some systemic recovery overall with the ice bath. This is going to go from this. We're going to do some BFR, and she's about 30 seconds in. Got about 90 seconds left. We're going to do 2 to 3 minutes in the ice bath. Ellie, how fun is this?
It's nice.
It's a struggle. So we are back at the Airbnb, and Ellie is in recovery mode right now, and she's coughing. She's got Fran lung from the workout. But we're rounding off her recovery. So she finished the workout. She did not drink the protein shake directly after, like she planned to. You did?
I drank some of it, but I literally couldn't talk. My eyes were rolled back in my head.
I handed it to her, but girl was messed up, so she didn't get to do it.
You know how people say when they touch the sun, like you touch the sun? I grabbed the sun with a full fist and died.
We got Lady Icarus over here touching the sun. But she went straight to the ice bath afterward. Ideally, we'd like to do a bike cool down afterward, but again, girl was messed up, so we got in the ice bath. And now we're going to do some IPC, ischemic post-conditioning, with the blood flow restriction cuffs here. These are the Saga BFR cuffs that we like to use. And she is going to be in these for how long, Ellie?
5 minutes on, 5 minutes off. But I typically do like 3 minutes off in case.
For how many rounds?
5 rounds. So
yep, so about
5 minutes.
Yeah, 25 minutes on, but 45-minute segment with the cuffs on. That is the gold standard for recovery with the BFR cuffs. She can do this. It's going to help her to compete better tomorrow. There's great research behind doing this consistently. She's been doing this for a few days now, and people who do this consistently prior to a big competitive event perform better than those who don't. So excellent way to do it, and a good idea for recovery after a grueling workout like that today. And then tomorrow, she has 2 events tomorrow and 3 events on Sunday. So the recovery that she does today matters quite a lot. And we make sure we got to do it right. But all right. See you later.